Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 66 plate Nissan Juke Tekna. This is the 1.5 turbo diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in sunlight yellow metallic, and it's covered just 25,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very high specification, very low mileage Nissan Juke Diesel. Ever popular, of course, these Jukes. Certainly one of our best sellers in the small SUV market. This is a cracking looking example. December 2016 registered. Just 25,000 miles. Backed up by a really impressive service history. We've got 8 recorded services right the way through its life, annually from new. It's also had a documented Cambelt and Waterpump replacement as well, so bang up to speed on its maintenance. Obviously looks terrific in this sunlight yellow metallic with those 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are again in really good shape. I can't stress how good the condition is on this car. It's very nice. Good tyres all round. Cheap road tax model, of course. Being a 66 plate, so if you go a little bit newer then they go up to 190, but at this age you still get that very cheap road tax. Fantastic fuel consumption. It's 110 brake horsepower turbo diesel with that 6-speed manual gearbox. You should get well over 60 miles to the gallon on a combined run, and this Tekna spec is lovely. As we have a look inside, it's got a full leather interior and the front seats are heated. You've got this leather centre armrest and then you've got the seat heaters down below, a couple of cup holders there. All the door cards in good shape. Remote locking, it's got 2 remote keys, it has keyless entry and keyless start as well. 4 electric windows. It's got a blind spot indicator, so if you've got something coming down the side of you, the lights will flash up to let you know. It's got its original carpet mats, which are in great shape. Then you've got plenty of controls down here. You've got electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. You've got lane, that's your blind spot indicator. You've got a start-stop facility which you can switch off. Up onto the steering wheel, again in really good shape. You've got controls for your cruise control and speed limiter. You've got your Bluetooth, your radio and your trip computer controls. There's your mileage, 25714. Manual handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut key. And then up above, I'll just come up to this big neck space. So we've got a camera built in, big neck space rear view mirror, so obviously you can see into the back if I put the car into reverse. And you've also got on here a forward and reversing camera as well, which shows up, so that's a really nice little add-on to what's already a very high specification car. You've got your climate control, you've got your different driving modes, and then up above you've got satellite navigation. We've got a 360 degree camera, so you've got your reversing camera which takes up the whole screen when you're in reverse, and then you've got down on the side mirrors, you've got that there as well. CD player at the top, you've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone. So yeah, really impressive specification. Automatic lights, push button to start the car as well. And obviously you do benefit from having a nice high seating position as well, so easy to get in and out of, good visibility. 5-door Practicality, of course. Again, you've got your carpet mats in the back, electric windows in the rear, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts. You've got the ISOFIX for the child seats, and again in absolutely lovely condition. It's not had hard life, this one, at all. Round to the back, you've got your parking sensors across the rear bumper to go with the camera, and then into the boot space, parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then a really nice 2-layered boot space. So you've got this flat loading area, and then this lifts out to give you loads of extra room underneath, and underneath again you've got your inflation kit and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it. December 2016 Nissan Juke Tekna 1.5 diesel, 25,000 miles, 8 services recorded including a Cambelt replacement. Low road tax, 60 plus miles to the gallon, all the kit in the world, heated leather, sat nav, cameras, all sorts of bits and bobs. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT along with 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, very nice low mileage, proper service history. This will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.